Hello. Now we will continue with this point human resources. Human resources are also called as a human capital and human are also called as a assets. Why it is called as a asset or a human capital? Because the people in the organization possess the knowledge, experience, skills and that cannot be duplicated, while the machine, the other resources like technology, financial capitals, machines, material, that can be duplicated, they can buy it, but the person is unique, the person who has a skill, it is a unique. That's why the human resources in HRM are considered to be a very valuable. Now we'll see the definition of the human resource management. What is this human resource management? Human resource management is defined as a strategic and coherent approach to the management of, of an organizational most valued assets, the people working there, uh, who individually or collectively contribute the achievement of its objective. What is the HRM means? HRM means management of the most valuable asset in the organization. And what is the most valued asset in the organization? Is are the people, the people who work there. And how the people work there, they either they individually work or maybe a collectively in a team, maybe in a team. So why they work? To contribute to the achievement of its objective. Whose objective? The organizational objective. Maybe the organization have different objective, to become a leader in the particular sector, or maybe gaining a profit, like that way. Now in the organization, in managing this human resources means what actually? That means they have a company has to recruit them, they have to evaluate their performance, give the training, research what are their needs, develop their skills, identify the potential, identify the leadership skills, so they can provide the promotion. So these are the activities are carried out in the HRM, in the human resource management. Now we'll see the point, that is strategy, because now what is the topic name? It is a strategic HRM. So we have seen what is the HRM. Now we'll see what is the strategy means. We use in a daily life the word, this word strategy, but it is the strategy is for the longer term, that is the direction and the scope of an organization over the longer term. That means not only for what we have to do today or tomorrow, that is not a strategy. For the longer period, maybe for 6 months, maybe for 1 month, 1 year, sorry, or maybe for 2 years, what the organization wants to achieve, which ideally matches its resources to its changing environment, and in particular to its market, customers, and clients to meet stakeholder expectation. Means it is a plan that the company has to achieve with the help of the resources, and they have to change their plan according to the changing environment, what the customer require, what is the demand from the market, what the their clients want right now. Accordingly the company decide their strategy. And what is the ultimate aim for this strategy? To meet the stakeholders expectation. Stakeholders means the customer, supplier, their shareholders, their employees, whatever that the company has to meet this their expectation. According to the Minsmer, that strategy can have the number of meaning. Like I have said, the plan. It is a direction or a guide or a course of action. Plan means how to achieve that particular point. That is that may be a considered as a strategy pattern. Like see, Apple. What we say for the Apple, their pattern is innovation. Their consistent behavior is innovation. They come with the new technology kind of phone. So that is a innovation. That is their pattern. Perspective. What is this? An organizational fundamental way of doing things. So maybe the cost effectiveness. That may be a fundamental way of doing the company's way. Ploy. What is this ploy? Ploy, it is हम बोलते हैं ना, the ploy means a for defender, for competitor, what is a plan that is considered as a ploy, a specific maneuver intended to outwit on an opponent or a competitor. To for the gain more market share with respect to the competitor. What is your ploy? That is a strategy. What is your plan? And that plan is considered called, we call as a ploy or a strategy. So strategy, these are the synonyms can be used for the strategy: plan, pattern, perspective, ploy. That means we have seen the this Southwest airline. Their perspective is the cost effective. Their airline fares are a low cost fare. So that is what their fundamental way of doing. Next, we will see the strategic HRM, the definition of the strategic HRM. So, what is this? According to the Wright and Mahan, the strategic HRM is defined as the pattern of planned human resource deployments and activities intended to enable the firm to achieve its goals. So, here it is a pattern. The whatever the human resource activity, it should be matched with the your strategy. And what is the strategy? It is to achieve its goals. So what are the four components in SHRM? Human resources, obviously. The activities means the policies, programs with respect to the human resources. And whatever the policies, HR programs are there, what is the aim behind that? It should be to gain the competitive advantage. Pattern means pattern and plan. That means it is implied that there is a fit of HR strategy and the organizational business strategy, that is called as a vertical fit, as well as the horizontal fit. That means suppose if the company's strategy is to provide the cost effective product to the consumer. So this is what the company's strategy. Now accordingly they have to plan their HR strategy. Like human resources, they have to recruit the human resources accordingly. What skill set they need for that, they have to decide. So that is what the HR strategy. And then uh, between all the HR activities, that is horizontal fit, not only a recruitment, they have to train their employees accordingly, according to that their strategy: cost effectiveness, cost reduction, on the basis of the cost reduction, performance appraisal, it should be based on that only. So that is what the horizontal and the vertical cul- fit. And the what is this purposeful? Why all these things? The people practices and plan pattern are all purposeful. What is the purpose? Directed towards the achievement of the goals of the organization. Whatever the company has decided, that based on that, the uh, SHRM manage this people, uh, human resource practices, and the plant pattern. Plant pattern means the vertical fit and horizontal fit, and it should be directed towards the achievement of the organizational goal. So this is what the SHRM definition and the meaning of SHRM. Thank you.